क्रिकेट के बाद अब कुछ बात करेंगे टेनिस के आलमी रैंकिंग में सरफहरिस्त खिलाड़ी सर्बिया के नोवाक जोकोविच की, जिनका कहना है कि कम उम्र से स्टार खिलाड़ी बनने की ख्वाहिश थी, जिसके लिए उन्होंने भरपूर जिद्दोजहद की और वो मजीद आगे जाने की ख्वाहिश रखते हैं। डॉन न्यूज से खुसूसी इंटरव्यू में जोकोविच का कहना था कि बहुत कुछ हासिल करने के बाद माशरे को कुछ लौटाना हर एक की जिम्मेदारी है। उनकी फलाही फाउंडेशन बच्चों की तालीम के फरोग के लिए काम कर रही है। उन्होंने उम्मीद जाहिर की कि वो जल्द पाकिस्तान आएंगे। स्टार खिलाड़ी ने इंटरव्यू में मजीद क्या कहा, आइए सुनते हैं।
Novak, congratulations on a fantastic 2015 and the best possible start to this season as well. What do you think, in your own opinion, are the factors that have made you so dominant in the recent past, apart from the gluten-free diet?
It's more than just a diet, but you know, it's just some circumstances in life came along well for me. I started playing tennis when I was 4 or 5 years old, and I'm very grateful, you know, to life to have the opportunity to play the sport that I love and to be the best in the world in it. You know, I always dreamed of when I was a kid to be a multiple Grand Slam champion and to be in this position. So I try to cherish every moment on the court. I try to nurture all these great values and you know, kind of continue respecting the lifestyle, respecting the sport, and because I still want to achieve more. I feel like I have a lot more juice in my legs.
Novak, growing up in Serbia at the time you were growing up wasn't the easiest time. Is that why you've chosen to invest in education through your Novak Djokovic Foundation?
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Well, you know, giving back is a responsibility, and it's also, you know, it's part of who we are. Whether or not you're a tennis champion and you know, an athlete or a non-athlete, you know, you need to give back. We are here. We are created in this planet to live together alongside each other and to help people that they're less fortunate. And the foundation was founded in 2007, but in 2011 we chose to have let's say a mission and to help children in education, because we thought that we need to have a certain direction in order for us to have the right perspective, and for the, you know, the very generous donors to know where their money is going to. So we're still very young foundation, but education is basis and foundation of a child's life, and we are focusing on preschool education, you know, early childhood, and many different programs. We're renovating a lot of kindergartens and you know, working with UNICEF. So there's a lot going on, but you know, it's not a job, it's not work. It's as I said, a responsibility, a part of everybody's character, I would say, values and life values, and something that we just feel obliged to do.
Novak, lastly, a shout out to your fans in Pakistan, and also this will be aired on the radio as well. If you could tell us your favorite song these days, or maybe dedicate a song to them.
Yeah, well, it's hard. You put me on the spot. No song comes to my mind, but I just want to give my heart and my best wishes and regards to all the Pakistani fans. And I hope you guys are watching tennis, and I hope I can come to Pakistan very soon.
Cheers, Novak.